Hello. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to use the accumulator function on the TVP. First, you want to power on the TVP while holding down the tare key, and make sure to keep holding until the screen shows up. Enter the code 0000. Press tare to enter. Press tare again. Or PLU keys to cycle through the options. Keep pressing M+ until the weight reads F11. Press the tare key to enter. The unit price should read node. You could use the M+ or PLU to cycle through the options once more. Once you reach the node setting, press tare to enter the setting. Press PLU until the unit price reads EP50. Press the M+ to go back. Press tare to save. Now press the 0 key repeatedly until you exit to the main menu. And now you should be able to use the accumulator function. Put an item on top of the scale. Give it a unit price, $1.99 for this example, and press M+ to accumulate. This added $1.65 to the accumulator price. Add your second item and input its respective price. This one is $9.99 a pound. Press M+ to accumulate. Press CH to see the accumulator price. Thank you for choosing Vision Tech Shop. Give us a contact if you need any help.